Plan B. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It would turn out that I woke up on the top side of the dirt this morning, so I guess might as well work on some Ratrod. The truck needs a name. We got to do these, the door windows, get those in. We got to do the windshield, and then for the most part the cap stuff is done, other than there's a gas tank hole down there, the inside, and we got to do interior work yet, but exterior, that's what we got left. So without any more further ado, or whatever they say in French, let's get after these things. So if I hold this up roughly where it should be at the back side, clearly we're short here. So this is going to have to be split. These will have to be cut down. By the looks of the first cut, I'm not a complete idiot because they look to be fairly level and flush, so that's good. Hopefully that makes life a little easier. One thing I did notice on here is how much movement this has. I think that's supposed to be in tight like that on the top side. It's not like that. That gets you in the light. There's an inner structure holding that all together, where on the bottom piece that's not in there. So check this out. It opens. Yep. And closes. I don't like the handle. That needs some work. We need to save that piece for when we cut the center of the frame out to put back in. Here, collar done. Out of here. So I just made a couple quick little tacks, and I'm like, why does it seem like I got no gas? So I looked at my welder here. Well, I got pressure on the gauge, but I got no gas coming out. Bottle's open. Oh, a teenager was practicing welding, and apparently this is where teenagers turn your gas off nowadays. Like the little one. Like there's a giant one says open and closed right there, but we turn it off here now, I guess. Interesting. Yeah, I just opened the door and just took a mark of what I need here. So I'll split this and get things kind of lined up. I got a lot of adjusting to do. This is way out. This is way out. There's going to be lots of finagling, for lack of a better word. fully functioning window. Obviously it's short on this side because of the old crown of the old window, but I believe a glass shop can shave 3 inches off that and the whole thing should work as it should. Let's move on. Figure out what we're gonna do with this windshield. I do still have to do the other side, but you don't need to watch that twice. Or you probably don't want to either. And when you just slap it on there, it looks pretty mean. Not too concerned with the glass. Obviously it's falling apart anyway. This is broken. So we'll just get the glass out, and we'll probably just make slits, size it up where we need it, and weld it together. And get the glass at another day. I feel like that sounded super easy saying it out loud, but I don't think it's going to be quite as slick and easy as that made it sound. I'd like to take this opportunity to call out the engineers at International back in the 1940s. Why they put these flathead screws in the windshield. So it was short-sighted thinking by them. They should have thought that in like 80 years, some guy's gonna wanna work on this truck and do something with the windshield. We should put better screws than flat head screws so the person can, get at them. Unbelievable. Plan B. Hey, no problem. You guys want to see that again? Hey! No problem. Yeah. Okay, I got a broom. So I still have my original 3-inch spacer that I used when I went around the back of the cab to mark everything out. So I'll just use the same on the windshield. We'll cut out what we don't need and weld it back together. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do something with those screws later to be able to put a windshield back in. But today is not my problem. That's future me's problem. I'll say sorry, future me, for not thinking about your best interests. You know what we should have done? We should have just put a nut above the screw, welded the nut onto the screw, and then used a wrench or a socket. Note to future me. Hey, you guys sitting at home watching this, why didn't you say something? Why didn't you say something? visually, it looks good. But we got a bit of an issue on both sides. She's not flowing down. Center appears to be okay. It's just both sides. The other side over there is the same. I either need to split it and take just like a zip cut blade width out, or maybe I can pull it together against the frame of the cab with a set of vice grips. Weld it in place so it's straight. I'm gonna finagle. I use that word twice in this video. Gonna try that, see if I can make it work out or not. That clearly isn't working. I'm gonna take a blade's width out, and then everything will line up from there, I think. There we go. She fits. She looks good. It's not attached to the hinge pieces at the top and the bottom yet. Later. Obviously, I just roughed that in. Got more welding to do and more cleaning to do, but it fits like it's supposed to be there. Original glass, hey, sorry, RIP, you know what I mean? That time I was a little smarter. I actually used a straight edge to hold it together, you know? I don't know why I didn't do that the first time. If you like the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. If you don't like the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff. Come back for the next one. We'll be working on this for a little bit longer, and eventually I got to start working on some other stuff. I got a 77 Ford F-150 that needs work. We got the Monarch car that needs work, so we can sell that one. Anybody want a 1954 Monarch? Hit me up. Appreciate everybody for watching. Come back next time. Later. Nasty.